Ito si Elmer. At ito naman si Eri. Today, this is our graduation day ng L113.
Sa loob ng 10 months, nag-dig deeper kami aralin how God loved us and through His words using Bible. Kaya samahan nyo kami sa chapter na ito. William, pasok!
Alam nyo ba ang mission natin today ay makapunta tayo at makahap tayo sa graduation ng mga may-ari ng camera na to dahil nga kami ang taga-video ngayon, no? Ayan, no? Kaso late kami. Ang lupit mo, boy! Aray ko! Oh no. Currently guys, late na kami. Kasama si Kuya Sulen. At siya ay nagdadrive ngayon at ihahatid natin si Ate Gladys nyo at si Ate Lisel ninyo. Ayan, no? Grabe naman. At life's breaking open. We will do the road. Kapag isasalita si Sulen, sasalita na siya. And dito na kami. Alright guys, habang nasa biyahe tayo, something remind me sa verse na to na you can pray for anything because of your faith, you will receive it. Kaya pwede mong ipag-pray lahat. Ang mahalaga, meron kang faith, no? Meaning ng faith, yung bagay na hindi mo nahahawakan o nakikita, pero naniniwala ka na magkakaroon ganun or something mangyayari sa iyo. And ayun yung sinasabi ng verse na yun, that you can pray for anything because of your faith, you will receive it. At yung 21, 22 and guys 9:35 na guys. Go.
Happy! Ano may nagdadrive eh?
Come on.
Or left.
Because it took something from the outside so that it could rescue the people in the inside.
Menendez Elmer Jr.
Christianity is not easy. Sabi nga nila, salvation is free but following God is costly. As we follow Christ, madaming need i-sacrifice. Hindi talaga madali, on our own, di natin kakayanin. We cannot comprehend God's plan in our lives. Maraming mangyayari sa buhay natin na iba at malayo sa mga gusto natin. But we need to trust and obey God. And because of the grace of God, we can continue to follow Him.
Modern.
Guys, meet my crush.
Hoy! Aray ko!
Hello guys, andito tayo sa church namin. Look, this is Victory. Yeah, welcome to our Victory Pasay. And they say hi guys, say hi. Yeah, hindi yan mag-vlog ikaw. Taro. Hi! Bakit ang pula ko? Tapos guys, meet my crush.
Is always on time, okay, and brought in submission of class requirements and assignments. The faithfulness of God goes to not just a faithful husband, but also faithful in leadership. One of the two. Congratulations.
Let's see the food.
Come on.
Hurry up, let's see the food before you cook it.
Tama mo yung vlog nito na Eri.
My God, my promise keeper.
at yung mission natin, nagawa naman natin. And may gusto lang sabihin sa inyo si Tara. Ano ulit yun, Tara?
Congratulations!
Congratulations! Dito na matatapos ang vlog ni Ate Eri at andito ang kasama natin.
Yes,
Siyempre,
guys, thank you for watching.
napakalupit ng award niya. Elmer J.R. a.k.a.
Si Elmer ang paboritong rapper.
Yay! So guys, ano ba usapan natin? Ang usapan natin ngayon ay graduate siya.
Okay. Know what they say. Life isn't easy and every day is a final. So forget the day. It's all about tonight. Big singer. Energy. Gotta live like it's the end of the world. Gonna find